Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to export Mailchimp email as HTML. First of all, open the web browser. Here search Mailchimp. Click on Campaigns, then press the Create button. Now from here, click on Design Email. Select a template from here. Click to apply the template for your email. Here you can make changes accordingly. Then click on arrow from Save and Exit. Choose the Save as a Template option. Give a name to your template. Then click to save it. After that, press the Return to Campaigns button. Open Email from Campaigns. Here, you can see all the emails you can edit or replace. Status is also changeable. Or you can sort emails accordingly. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.